Hello and welcome to the HiCAD short clips. This video is about the automatic generation of workshop drawings for rear ventilated facades within the HiCAD module Element Installation. The workshop drawings are created in the form of template drawings. In this example of an Alucobond SZ20 facade, the template drawings have been defined for the SZ20 trays used for the standard connection and attic connection. The template drawings can be planned as desired with all necessary functionalities as well as dimensions, HiCAD Constraint Manager constraints, sectional views and detail views. Here is an example of a template drawing for the default connection and the template drawing for attic. In addition, of course, title blocks are filled in automatically. When the template drawing creation function is started, you can decide whether the drawing is created for all facet elements or for individual elements of a drawing. In this case, I decide to create the drawings of a construction section, an assembly that I have chosen via the ICN window. The drawings are generated automatically and the existing template drawings adapt to the elements of the facade with the different shapes. This means that all associative elements such as 3D dimensions, HiCAD Constraint Manager constraints, sectional and detail views and title blocks are adapted to the facade elements. Drawings created in this way are then listed in the project folder. Each drawing can of course be loaded directly from the project folder or from the element in the drawing directly via the load drawing function. The loaded drawing can be further edited and adjusted. The dimensions can be adjusted, sectional and detail views, and also the position of the views. Depending on the settings, the title blocks are also automatically filled in with drawing and article attributes. If changes are to be made afterwards, the drawings are automatically adjusted. In this example, I will reopen the window connection using the installation dialog element and make the necessary changes. The same function replaces and updates the drawing. The drawing of the modified element will adapt, and the dimensions and attributes have updated too. This was the brief overview of the new functions of the automatic generation of the template drawing during element installation. Thank you for watching and goodbye.